2017 2.2 Transit, 76,000 miles. Comes with a full water tank in the back and heating system, ideal for window cleaners. System itself costs in the region of £6,000 to £10,000. This system alone, the blue one, is about 6,000. Got the brushes. This is the rare 2.2 with a chain. It is actually a Euro 6 model, being a 2017. The best of both worlds in terms of the 2.2 and Euro 6. Interior is nice and clean. Restricted to 62 throughout its life, so never being abused. Here is the Streamline Thermo 2, which all works and powers up with the water tank and the brushes. Sure, the tank would suit multiple uses. Bodywork is nice and clean throughout. Just had a major service with fresh 12 months MOT, ready for sale.